What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm playing Scary Bubble with my friend. What? No, Jonathan, no. Why would you do this? I'm back in base. I'm back in safe. I locked you outside, by the way. No, not right now. Oh yeah. Yo, he got he got me. He got me, bro. I was screaming. Where you going, Mama Brown? Okay. Bruh. Let's check if the monsters are frozen. Yep, the monsters are. Oh my goodness, I haven't played this game in such a long time that now I'm getting scared. You want to see if the pool rooms are still updated? How did I get under there? Why do I keep teleporting? Elevator! Yeah. I'm waiting for you, bro. You gotta get to the pool room. Yeah, the game is a bit messed up. What the hell? Jonathan, I'm teleporting! Look, where are you? Look at this. Look, you ready? Oh no, I just went into a whole different game mode. I'm going back. Bro, why is it? I'm in. Oh, dang it. I'm not in. And now the monsters will be frozen. Oh. Look. I'm teleporting everywhere. Oh no, you tell me. I'm stuck. I don't know, I'm tripping, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I turned off that thing so I don't get killed. I'm gonna. No, no, no. Oh no. Oh. I'm gonna go check out the pool rooms. Whoa, what has happened here? Pool rooms. Oh, I miss this. I'm going back into the jacuzzi. Well, make sure to like and subscribe.